Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Fallout 3 after the main story. Without the Broken Steel downloadable content, the game concludes after the final main quest, preventing further exploration of the Capital Wasteland. However, installing Broken Steel seamlessly integrates new content, allowing you to continue your adventure. This essential expansion ensures your journey doesn't end abruptly, offering many more hours of gameplay and discovery. Broken Steel significantly enhances your post-ending experience. It raises the maximum level cap from 20 to 30, giving you 10 additional levels to grow your character. You will encounter new, tougher enemies like the super mutant overlords and feral ghoul reavers, providing fresh combat challenges. Furthermore, the DLC adds new perks, weapons, and armor, ensuring your character remains powerful and engaged throughout the extended adventure. Even after the main story and Broken Steel, the Capital Wasteland holds many secrets. Take your time to explore every corner, as countless unmarked locations, hidden caches, and unique encounters await discovery. Finish any outstanding side quests or faction missions you might have missed. You can also hunt for rare items, complete challenges, or simply wander, soaking in the rich atmosphere of this post-apocalyptic world for dozens of hours. To truly maximize your Fallout 3 experience, consider exploring the extensive world of community-made modifications. These mods can introduce entirely new quests, companions, weapons, and even vast new areas to explore, effectively adding hundreds of hours of fresh content. Many also offer crucial quality-of-life improvements, bug fixes, and graphical enhancements, making your continued journey even more enjoyable and personalized.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.